Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today I'm bringing you guys some fun gift ideas. So this first one, I saw this on Facebook and I thought this was a really cool way to gift items. So you're gonna grab a piece of scrapbook paper. This is a 12 by 12, but it does work with any size scrapbook paper. So I'm gonna be folding down the edges, and I think I used about 2 inches on one side and then I folded over to the next. So all of your little openings are gonna be on the same side. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold this one more time, and I'm going to show you what it looks like here in a second. So I just wanted to kind of show this because when I was watching one of the videos, I was so confused and messed this up multiple times. Now I'm going to fold down the edges, and this is about 2 to 2.5 inches. It just depends on what you want it to look like. And then now I'm going to cut this, and it's kind of going to look like a triangle, but you don't want to cut all the way down, and you don't want to cut it into an exact triangle. You kind of want to leave that gap or like a little bit of a kind of an opening just so this is all put together. Now you're going to see one of mine is not put together, and I probably cut it wrong or I did not line my scrapbook paper up, but this one still worked. Now once that is done, I'm going to take each side and I'm just going to tape it down so it starts to look like a really fun candy. You can always go back to this video if I am not explaining it 100% correctly for you, but you can pause and keep going back and forth. But I thought this was super cool, and I know everyone always has scrapbook paper laying around. I also use a ton of scrapbook paper that I cut up, and I saved some smaller pieces and just never used. I probably could have tossed them, but instead I wanted to make fun little scrapbook candy holders. So now I just added candy to mine, but you can always add like a gift card to these, chapstick, anything small that would fit. Now this is my largest one. I just went ahead and grabbed some baker's twine to tie one of the sides down. So then when I did put the candy inside, it was not going to fall out at the end. Grab these from Walmart, and I'm just going to stick them in with some tissue paper, and then I just tied the other side off, and you have some super cute candies. I just thought this was a really fun idea, and it doesn't have to cost a lot, and like I said, I'm sure people have scrapbook paper laying around, or maybe even cardstock would work for this too, but I love how these turned out. They are so fun. Next one, if you're going to gift a Stanley, I really think that this is the way to do it. So I just took the lid off, and I'm adding some tissue paper. It's not tissue paper. I can't even think of what it's called. And I'm just going to be stuffing this Stanley full of fun gifts. Now, this is nothing new to the internet. I have seen this one, so this is not my idea, but I think that if I ever give a mug or anything away, this is the way I'll be doing it. I added some socks, candy, of course, a gift card. Now, all of these gift ideas are in different price ranges, so nobody will be left out of this. So if you have a $50 budget or more or less, I've got you guys covered. Ana Luisa, I am so grateful that they have sponsored today's video, but I think that their jewelry is absolutely beautiful, and I have been wearing their jewelry for years and years, and it is still, I honestly think, one of the greatest gifts that I have given anyone. I have given my mom jewelry for Mother's Day and Christmas, and she loves it, and I think this really tied off this fun gift idea. I just added some ribbon and an ornament, and I love this. I would love to receive this for Christmas. Like I said before, Ana Luisa is sponsoring today's video, but just because they're sponsoring doesn't mean I don't absolutely love their products. I have been working with this company for years and wearing their jewelry for years, and it is absolutely incredible. So Ana Luisa, if you've never heard of them or you haven't seen my videos in the past, they craft high quality jewelry pieces at super affordable prices. They are carbon neutral from their packaging to products, and their company actually cares about our planet. I think Ana Luisa would make the perfect holiday gift for any of your loved ones. I love this new necklace that they recently came out with. It is a charm necklace. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite pieces. Although I will be gifting it, I think I might have to get one for myself. They also sent me this one as well, and this is also going to be a great gift for the holiday season. So I love giving and I love receiving jewelry during the holidays. They are gifts that last a lifetime, and I feel like when you see someone that you gifted a jewelry piece to and they're wearing it, it just makes you feel so good that they actually loved something and they're wearing something and using something that you gave them. I feel like it's such a thoughtful gift as well, and that anybody would love it. Ana Luisa has an amazing holiday sale going on right now. You can get your favorite jewelry pieces at a great discount, so make sure to check out my link in the description box below. Ana Luisa also has fast and free shipping within the US, and anywhere else they have crazy affordable shipping options. Also, if you guys didn't see the amazing packaging, you don't even have to wrap this up. You can just throw it in a really cute gift basket and you don't even have to wrap it. But like I said, if you guys want to check them out, I will leave my link in the description box below for you guys so you can get the great sales that they have going on right now. If you didn't just see a sneak peek of this, I love these little mailboxes from Dollar Tree. I think they are so fun to give gifts in. You could even throw cookies or something in here. But I have been like kind of on the, I'm going to just give out gift cards this year and just make it fun and cute. Also, chapstick, you can never go wrong. And if you know who you're giving it to and you know exactly what they like, nobody will say no to chapstick, especially during the cold winter season. But I think this is super cute. I just added the Ana Luisa necklace to this along with chapstick, candy, and a gift card, and I think that this is spot on for a gift. All right, now of course I cannot do a gift idea video this season if I don't do a fun hot chocolate idea. So I grabbed some mugs, and you can thrift these as well. Everyone likes a good thrifting mug, I feel like, and some people don't like mugs at all, but honestly, if you get a gift like this and then you get another one, just donate your old mug or give it as another gift. And nobody uses mugs a ton, especially holiday mugs, but I know that my youngest daughter loves stuff like this. She thought these were so cute, and I think anyone would honestly like these if you could throw a gift card in here if possible, but just make these fun. I just grabbed everything from Dollar Tree, from the chocolate spoons, peppermint spoons, Swiss Miss, and then you can grab marshmallows or whatever you choose. You can always add a candy bar or something to these. They're so versatile, and I think that these just never go out of style when it comes to gifting for the holiday season. Like I said, I know people say they don't like mugs, which I totally get. Like, we only have so much room in our cabinets for mugs, but I mean, if it's going to be a really cute Christmas one, use it, donate it later, get another one the next year. They're really, really inexpensive, but I think they just look so cute to gift. Even if you throw a gift card in there, no one is going to be upset about getting a mug with a gift card inside. Now, of course, I could not forget a teacher gift idea. So I grabbed some boxes from Dollar General, and they came in a 4-pack for $4, which, I mean, I think it's a steal, especially this time of year. I grabbed this little badge holder during or after the school season, and they had everything on clearance. So I think I picked this up for $1, and I knew I was going to save it and gift it for Christmas and throw a gift card inside. No teacher will not love an Amazon gift card. They spend so much of their own money on school products, so I think this would be great for them to be able to buy something for themselves or just even for their classroom. And then I just added some chapstick in there along with a DIY bracelet, which I'll give you guys a more close-up view of that in a second. And I just tied it off with some of this really fun, like fuzzy ribbon and an ornament, and you could just do this however you like. Now, I don't know if I'm going to leave it like this or if I want to do some kind of jar. But let me know in the comments below, like, if you would just leave it as is or if you would change it up a little bit. So recently we have been doing some craft shows and we've been selling these bracelets like crazy. They are just the clay beads. You can pick them off of Amazon. And obviously I'm not going to give you a tutorial on making a bracelet with beads, but these are honestly so fun. And if you have some fun packaging, these would be a great gift for a teen, but honestly anybody loves these. We sold these like crazy. I think we sold like 50 of these bracelets in our recent craft show. The next DIY, I am obsessed with making tumblers with sublimation paper. So I did a couple of these last year and gave them away as gifts. I put photos on them with families. They absolutely love these. We also sold these in our craft show as well, and they did so well, and so many people were buying them for Christmas gifts. And I will also be gifting some of these this year as well for Christmas gifts. I use the sublimation tumbler heat press, and I just think that these are so fun to make. These are some that I did last year, and I mean, I can make 10 of these within a couple hours, but I think they are amazing. This is the one that I will be gifting this year, and I just think it's, I mean, obviously we're from Michigan, but go state, green, go white. But yeah, I think these are really great gifts, and you can always fill them with whatever you please, or you can just gift it like this, and I think it looks great, and I think anyone would love this. I never know how to gift gift cards, and then when I was looking around Dollar Tree, there was like a million different ways. So I loved these little bags, and I'm just going to be using one. I'm not sure what I'll do with the other two, but I think I might save them for next year when I gift gift cards. So I just threw some, I want to say it's tissue paper, but it's like shredded paper, some candy, a gift card, and voila, you have the perfect gift. Add a name tag to this and good to go. Here's an affordable gift idea. I love making these. My youngest daughter still loves receiving things like this, so I thought it was perfect. Now I'm just adding some shredded paper to this basket that was from Dollar Tree, and this whole basket cost me about $10. And who doesn't love a fun like bath bomb, bubble bath, chapstick type thing? They have some really fun ones at Dollar Tree this year, like the Fruit Loops. They have Fruity Pebbles, Lucky Charm items. These little nail art, I'm not really sure what they were. I thought those were cute, but I know she's going to use them for slime, so I didn't even bother getting anything for nails. And of course, a couple more bath bombs, which this is absolutely the cutest little gift basket. You could throw some like a gift basket bag over the top of this with some bows. It'd be the cutest gift. If you make your loved ones stockings for Christmas, this is actually going to be for my husband, but I thought I would kind of do that Stanley idea instead of like a huge stocking for him. I thought that this would kind of take over as the stocking. So I did grab this tumbler from Walmart along with that ornament I just showed, and honestly everything else that is in this video is from Walmart. He is a candy freak. He loves candy around the holidays, like Easter. We do Easter baskets for each other, and stockings, like they just better be full of candy because he'll eat it at like 6 a.m. It doesn't matter what time we get up, like he will just be eating tons of candy. So I thought this was perfect for him. If it's not for your loved ones or for someone you're giving it to, obviously you can put whatever you choose to in this, but I know he's gonna love this. And then he also has lunch for the day after Christmas when he goes back to work. And then I just threw the lid on top, or kind of stuffed it in, and I just think this turned out so good. I absolutely love this. And if you guys haven't ever tried Bean Boozled, it is so disgusting, but it is so much fun. And this one I also seen floating around the internet with this brochure. I never say it right. It's okay. I don't really buy these, but I thought this was a really fun gift idea as well. I think I might give this to my grandma. I don't even know if she likes these chocolates. If not, my kids will die over these. So I ended up adding a few because I'm going to make a fun little wreath with these and this cello paper. I picked this up at Dollar General. It was $1.25 or $1.50. And I am just going to try to like turn this into a wreath. I did end up having to use 8 of these candies to make this wreath work. Once I did, I just kind of taped this paper down so it would stay intact and the little candies would not fall out. And then I did tie it off with some baker's twine at the top. I may use some sort of lighter color, like maybe a white baker's twine or some kind of string to tie this off, but I did end up adding a bow and it covered it just fine. And now you could leave this as is and just give it as a fun gift, as like a I'm thinking of you type thing. I ended up adding a gift card to the center with just some double-sided tape on the back side. And I just think this is absolutely such a great, adorable gift idea. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed these gift ideas. If you did, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. My link will be in the description box below so you guys can check out their holiday sale. But that is it. I will see you. Bye!